Did you know your car uses over 70 sensors to keep things running smoothly? From oxygen in your exhaust to tire pressure, these tiny devices are always working behind the scenes. They're the reason modern cars are so efficient and reliable, most of the time. But when a sensor fails, your car can throw false warnings, kill your gas mileage, or even leave you stranded. Suddenly a small part can cause big headaches, and big repair bills if you don't know what to look for. In this video we'll break down the 12 most important car sensors of 2025, what they do, and how to spot trouble before it costs you. I'll share what dealerships won't, so you can stay ahead of expensive repairs. Stick around to learn how to catch sensor failures early and save money. If you love saving cash and learning about your car, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple car tech tips. First up, the oxygen sensor, your car's lungs. It sits in the exhaust, measuring unburned oxygen to help the engine balance fuel and air. This sensor is key for fuel economy and emissions. When it's working, you save money and pass emissions tests. But when it fails, you'll see the check engine light, rough idling, and terrible gas mileage. Ignore it, and you risk damaging your catalytic converter, a repair you don't want. If your check engine light is on and your mileage drops, get your codes read. O2 sensors are common culprits and usually easy to replace. Don't ignore a $50 fix that can save you thousands. A healthy O2 sensor means a healthy wallet. Stay alert to these signs and act fast. It's simple math, fix it early, save big. Next, the mass airflow (MAF) sensor, your engine's air traffic controller. It measures how much air enters the engine, helping the computer deliver the perfect fuel mix. When it's clean, your car accelerates smoothly and runs efficiently. But dirt or oil can throw it off, causing hesitation, black smoke, or stalling. If your car jerks, hesitates, or stalls, suspect the MAF sensor. Sometimes you can clean it, but often replacement is best. A bad MAF sensor means poor performance and wasted fuel. Don't let a dirty sensor ruin your drive. Check it if your car feels sluggish or acts up. Keep your air intake clean for a happy engine. The throttle position sensor, TPS, is your foot's direct line to the engine. It tells the computer how far you're pressing the gas, controlling fuel, timing, and shifting. When it fails, you'll notice poor acceleration, surging, or delayed response. The engine might bog down or suddenly surge, classic TPS issues. If your car feels unpredictable or slow to respond, check the TPS. It's a small part, but critical for smooth driving. Don't ignore weird throttle behavior. Replace a faulty TPS before it leaves you stranded. Your car should respond instantly. Don't settle for less. The crankshaft position sensor is the heartbeat monitor of your engine. It tracks the crankshaft's position so the computer knows when to fire spark plugs and inject fuel. If it fails, your car may crank but never start, or stall suddenly while driving. Intermittent failure can cause random stalling or rough running. No crankshaft signal means no engine operation, period. If your car won't start or stalls for no reason, this sensor is a top suspect. Don't ignore these symptoms. A bad crankshaft sensor can leave you stranded. It's one of the most critical sensors in your car. Replace it at the first sign of trouble. Reliable starting and running depend on it. Don't risk being stuck. Check this sensor first. The camshaft position sensor works with the crankshaft sensor to keep engine timing perfect. It tells the computer when valves open and close for precise fuel injection and variable valve timing. If it fails, you'll get misfires, loss of power, or even a no-start condition. Conflicting signals between cam and crank sensors can make diagnosis tricky. If your engine stutters, loses power, or won't crank, suspect the cam sensor. It's essential for smooth performance and starting. Don't let a bad cam sensor throw off your engine's rhythm. Replace it if you notice these symptoms. The coolant temperature sensor, CTS, is your engine's thermometer. It tells the computer when to enrich fuel, adjust idle, and turn on cooling fans. If it fails, your car may run rich, foul spark plugs or overheat. Bad readings can cause hard starts and poor fuel economy. Watch for weird temp gauge readings or sudden drops in mileage. A faulty CTS is cheap to fix but costly to ignore. Replace it at the first sign of trouble. Keep your engine at the right temperature for peak performance. The knock sensor is your engine's guardian angel, listening for dangerous knocking sounds. When it detects knock, it tells the computer to adjust timing and prevent engine damage. If it fails, you might hear pinging or rattling, especially under load. The computer may default to safe mode, killing power and efficiency. Don't ignore engine noises. Knock can destroy your engine fast. A bad knock sensor leaves your engine unprotected. Replace it if you hear metallic sounds or lose power. It's a small part with a big job. Protect your engine. Check the knock sensor. The EGR sensor helps control emissions by monitoring exhaust gas recirculation. It tells the computer how much exhaust is being recirculated to lower combustion temps and reduce smog. If it fails or gets clogged, you'll get rough idle, stalling, or a failed emissions test. A stuck EGR valve can cause fuel smells or hesitation. If you fail a smog test or notice rough running, check the EGR system. Cleaning or replacing the sensor can restore performance. Don't let a dirty EGR sensor cost you at inspection. Keep emissions in check for a cleaner, smoother ride. The MAP sensor measures air pressure in the intake manifold to calculate engine load. It helps the computer adjust fuel and timing for optimal performance. A bad MAP sensor can cause poor fuel economy, hesitation, or knocking. If your car feels lazy, sluggish, or knocks, this sensor could be the reason. It's especially important on turbocharged engines. Replace a faulty MAP sensor to restore power and efficiency. Don't let bad data ruin your drive. Check the MAP sensor if performance drops. The brake pedal sensor does more than turn on your brake lights. It signals cruise control, ABS, traction control, and even lets you start the car or shift out of park. If it fails, your brake lights may not work, or stay on all the time. You might lose cruise control or see warning lights for ABS and traction control. It's a simple, cheap part but critical for safety. If you notice brake light or shifting issues, check this sensor first. Don't risk a ticket or accident over a $20 switch. Replace it at the first sign of trouble. Safety starts with working sensors. The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, keeps your tires safe and your ride smooth. It warns you when a tire is dangerously low, preventing blowouts and saving fuel. Direct TPMS uses sensors in each wheel. Indirect uses ABS sensors. If the TPMS light is on, check your tires. If it flashes, the system may have a dead sensor battery. Proper tire pressure means better handling, braking, and fuel economy. Don't ignore the TPMS warning. It's there for your safety. Replace dead sensors as needed. Safe tires means safe driving. Trust your TPMS and check your tires regularly. Parking sensors are your bumper's best friend, using ultrasonic or radar tech to detect obstacles. They beep faster as you get closer to objects, helping you avoid scrapes and dents. If the system beeps constantly or not at all, a sensor may be faulty. These sensors can be damaged by weather or minor bumps. Test them by having someone walk behind your car in reverse. Replace faulty sensors to keep your blind spots covered. They make parking safer and easier. Don't let a dead sensor cost you a bumper. That's a wrap on the 12 sensors that keep your car running right. Each one plays a vital role in safety, performance, and efficiency. Even one bad sensor can cause a cascade of problems and warning lights. Listen to your car and never ignore warning lights. Regular diagnostics save money. A cheap OBD2 scanner can point you in the right direction before you see a mechanic. Which sensor have you replaced recently? Share your story in the comments. For more simple car tips, subscribe and hit the bell. Stay tuned for our next video.